you ever wonder where the apple you had with lunch came from? With the help of Farmer Tom at Ferguson's Morningside Orchards in Galesville, Wisconsin, we will show you how an apple goes from a seed to your lunchbox. First, we start with the seed.
At this orchard, the process starts in the spring. They plant 1,000 seeds per acre and 4,000 seeds per year. The varieties of seeds that are planted are based on the types of apples that sell well.
As spring turns to summer, the workers at the orchard are busy making sure the trees stay healthy as they continue to grow. Irrigation systems help keep all the trees watered in the hot summer, while fences and traps keep animals and pests from harming the trees and their apples.
The first apples usually ripen around mid-August and keep growing through late October. Once the apples are ready, the pickers put them into large bins and place the bins into large warehouses.
This is the warehouse where the bins of apples are brought after picking. The bins are then lowered into these machines for washing. Once the apples float to the top, the apples are brought on the conveyor for sorting.
As the apple sorting process begins, the workers sort the apples into 3 separate grades. These grades depend on the quality of the apples.
Grade 1 apples are the ones that are shipped to our grocery stores. Grade 2 apples have some sort of an outside blemish, but the skin is still intact. At the orchard, these apples are sold at a discounted price. Grade 3 apples, also known as deer apples, are sold solely for the purpose of feeding animals.
The first grade of apples can be sent to many different places. Ferguson's Orchard sends many of their apples to places like Cub Foods. The apples are then sold to customers just like you.
What do you do with the apples that you bring home from the grocery store?
Some of the things that we like to do are make apple butter,
Bake apple pie,
And make applesauce.
You may think that the work is done after the fall season, but at Ferguson's Morningside Orchard, the work doesn't end. Throughout the winter, the workers are constantly working to prune the trees in order to keep them healthy and growing.
Today we taught you how an apple gets from a seed to that apple in your lunchbox. Let's review that process again.
Seeds are planted in the spring. The trees are cared for in the summer with watering and pest and animal management.
In the fall, the harvesting takes place. Workers pick, wash, and sort the apples. They are transported to the grocery store where you can buy them.
The winter continues with pruning the trees, and the cycle continues.
Special thanks to Ferguson's Morningside Orchard for helping us learn about apples, and thank you to Farmer Tom for showing us around.